Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to knit with 5 double pointed needles. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to use 5 double pointed needles to knit in the round. This technique is often used to create seamless tubes like hats, sleeves, and socks. Step 1. Gather your materials. First, you'll need to gather your materials. You will need 5 double-pointed needles, yarn, and a pair of scissors. Make sure your needles are the same size and your yarn is appropriate for the project you're working on. Step 2. Cast on your stitches. Start by casting on your stitches onto one of the needles. I'm casting on 24 stitches, which I'll divide equally onto the rest of the needles. Divide the stitches evenly between 4 needles, leaving the fifth one free. Make sure the stitches are not twisted and are aligned with the first cast on stitch. Step 3. Join in the round. Now take the fifth needle and use it to knit the first stitch on the first needle. This will join your stitches in the round. Make sure your ends are out of your way, and just that first row is a little bit tricky, but once you're done with it, everything will be good. Step 4. Knit in the round. Now you can begin knitting in the round. With the fifth needle, knit all the stitches on the first needle. Then move on to the second needle and knit the next stitches. Continue in this manner until you have knit all the stitches in the round. And of course, repeat the process of knitting in the round until you have completed your desired length. Whew, this took some time. Now we are at step 5, finishing off. When you have reached at the end of your project, you will need to finish off your stitches. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail of several inches, and thread it through a yarn needle. Then insert the needle through the remaining stitches and pull tight to close up the top of your project. Since this will be a little tiny doll hat, I will weave in the ends inside the hat and I'll call it a day. So we'll be ready with this hat immediately. And now you have it. You know how to knit with 5 double pointed needles. With a bit of practice, you can easily create seamless tubes for all kinds of projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more knitting related content. Thank you for watching and happy knitting!